designs. Ito na yung part 2 ng ating orthographic projection tutorial. First, study the given object. Yes, kailangan natin i-study yan. Kailangan natin i-imagine kung paano natin siya drawing in 2D. Second step is determine the views and their arrangement on the drawing paper. To determine that, kailangan nating gumawa muna ng horizontal line and vertical line as our axis. Yeah. Mag-determine natin yung first view dahil dun sa horizontal and vertical axis natin. So dito siya lalagat. The next na gagawin natin is to determine the size. Okay, so the given size is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Drawing ulit. So, as you can see, nabuo na natin yung first box. Determine the distance. Maglagay tayo ng 1 cm. Then, let us draw again another horizontal lines. In drawing orthographic projection, make it sure that you use light lines only para madali nang burahin yung mga unnecessary lines after ng ating drawing. Put the depth of the right side view and then make again another. So make it sure na naka 45 degree to from this point. 45 and 45. 45 and 45. Yan. Ito yung mga point. Okay. Of every intersection, we need to project the lines in order to construct accurate orthographic projection. So project lang natin yan. Punta ron. And then, ibaba. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of intersection again. All we need to do is to project them. Project. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Para magawa natin yung last box, project natin siya 45 degree angle. It's projected. So next step is draw the details. My half of the and 1. And then it's 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. These hidden lines to represent the hidden parts of the object from this point to this point. Okay, so the same. All we need to do is project lang natin yung mga vertical lines. Yan. Yan. One point. Project is all the vertical lines in the front view ay kailangan nating project din pataas. Okay, then imagine yung kung anong magiging itsura ng top view. So let us proceed to the left side view. Intersection. Lahat ng vertical lines na nakikita natin dito ay kailangan natin i-project. The next step is trace the visible lines. Okay. Okay, so we're done with the horizontal line. So next is vertical. Okay, so we will use hidden lines for the hidden parts. Ibig sabihin ng hidden lines, nakatago. Hidden lines and invisible line is the same in alphabet of lines. So we have now the 6 principal orthographic views. Okay. So let us label now the drawing. Okay, tapos na. So sa mga nanood ng ating orthographic projection tutorial part 1, sana ay meron kayong natutunan doon sa activity. Sana nakuha nyo yung sagot. Sa part 3 ng ating orthographic projection, ito ang object. Abangan ang kasagutan sa part 3 ng ating orthographic projection tutorial.